Hi! How's everybody doing? Here in this house, we're having a good time because wonderful smells come out of the oven and they permeate the house and it makes you feel so good. And today it's a cloudy day. So when it's a cloudy day, you want to stay home and cook and create. So today I'm making one of my very favorite recipes. It's a variation of what my mother used to do, like pieces of meat in a nice pouch of dough. I'm going to make it another way, which is easier for everybody to do. So here we go. We're going to make a little filo, the traditional Greek way. So we have 2 cups of flour, and we're going to put about 1/4 cup. I'm going to use grappa because I have it. It's kudia, but you can use lemon juice. Okay, we're going to put that in. A little bit of oil, about the same amount of oil. Salt. And we're going to give it a swirl. Perfect. And then, not cold water, lukewarm water. And you'll see, the moment it starts to separate, you have a perfect dough. Okay, so we'll go. Water. Some more. It's ready. Look, you realize that it's ready when it becomes one ball. Then you remove it. Put a little bit of flour in your hands, and you can remove it. Look. Wow, isn't that nice? Nothing stays. Nothing stays. We'll take this along with us, but no, it's gone. No problem. Oh, it's so nice. It's so tender. It's so good to play with dough. Oh, look at it. It's so amazing. So what we're going to do now, it's perfect. There's nothing else to do. Just knead it a little bit like this, and then you cut it in 2. Okay, look at it. It's perfect. That olive oil and the grappa or lemon juice, make it amazing. So I'm gonna have to cut this in 2 because I need 2 filo, 1 for the bottom and 1 for the top. Nice. Oof. Get the kids to play with the dough. Get the kids to play with the dough. They love it actually. Like this. And like this. And you put it in the fridge. Cover it with plastic and put it in the fridge, okay? So, it has to rest. All these things have to rest. It rested. It's ready. See, when you rest, you're ready to do miracles. There you go. Very good. We're gonna put 1 filo down here. a little bit of flour and open it. Nice and round. It's so good. It's so good to play with dough. And if you're nervous, just go boom. Or if somebody's hurting you, or if somebody's hurting you or make you suffer, you gotta have one of these around. Don't use it, just of course you know that I'm joking, right? So you want to make this big enough so you can have a nice crust at the end. So that's how you measure it, like, you know, it's like this. And you have enough, but this is deep, so it has to go over. So I'm going to stretch it a little bit more, so I do not have problems. There you go. Wow. Okay, baby, stay now, stay. You usually stay, what's the matter? There you go. Nice and ready. Like this. Okay, so what am I going to put there? What? Two beautiful chunks of lamb. They are amazing when you cook them this way. So with salt and pepper the lamb, like we actually, and then lots of pepper and garlic powder, a little bit of oregano, and we place it like this. We place it nicely like this. We love what we do and we handle it with care, okay? And here I have a few potatoes and carrots, which I have seasoned very well too. And we're gonna put them like here. This is a good meal for one person, for a man that likes lamb. Mind you, 2 times, and ladies will appreciate it. So, what do we do now? Lots of garlic. Lamb and garlic, they go together. Okay? Butter. It needs butter. We don't use oil in this recipe, we use butter. Okay, be generous, don't be afraid to use butter. We don't use it very much, we don't eat it very much, but when we have to use it, we have to use it as we're supposed to use it, not sparingly. And then, what am I having? Cheese, Greek cheese. It's called Kefalotiri. It's a hard cheese, but it's a tasty cheese. It's buttery. It's the right amount of salt for cooking. It's amazing. That's the cheese that you make saganaki with, the flaming cheese. And this is what we use for this recipe. This is what I use for this recipe, okay? Lots of it. There you go. And I think we're ready to go and make the other filo. Okay, what do you think? Looks good, right? Okay. We're gonna have the other filo. It's gonna take a few minutes to do the filo. And when I make this recipe, I usually don't make it for too many people, but sometimes I make one of these for two. So I put it in the middle and it's like a conversation piece. People are talking about it, you know? So it's nice actually, it's very nice. It's a nice presentation. Yeah, this is a nice one. I love you. Be good. Be good and make us happy with your deliciousness. There you go, like this. Okay, so we'll go like this. Actually, I'm not very good at doing this. There are people that are doing it a lot better. Like I have a friend and she's amazing when she does her little but I'm making it rustic, okay? There's a name for everything. This is rustic. When you cannot make it perfect, it's rustic. When you can make it perfect, it's rustic. I cannot make it perfect for the life of me. I've tried so many times. But I have my friend. Oh my God, she goes. It's like lace. It's like lace all around. I don't know why. I have to really practice. Because practice makes perfect, and this needs practice as far as I'm concerned. Look at it. Okay, it's a mess. But it's a delicious mess. Okay, what do you think? What do you think? It's gonna cook at 350 for 2 hours. So what you do is you make holes so the steam will escape. Okay, little holes and the steam will escape. And we will put it in the oven. This is my masterpiece, okay? It's not perfect, but it's perfect for me. The taste is perfect though. Okay, this is amazing. This is amazing. Okay, it's going to the oven. We're ready. It's done. We're happy. The house smells good and we're having a good moment. Okay, I love those good moments. Wow, look at it. It's nice and ready. And okay, this is like a reveal. I have to go around like this. And oh, it smells so good. It's like a reveal. Look. Hello, everybody. Oh, it's the bone that got stuck. So it's falling off the bone. This is what we want, actually. Come on, baby. So what do you think? Wow. It's so good. and I'm going to try it. I don't want to burn myself. You cannot enjoy it when it's too hot. You have to let it sit for a while, but I have no patience. So please, please, wish me bon appetit. This is Lita, everybody. Have a nice day.